Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Samira Sharif. Andarki namaskaram. Nenu mi Samira Sharif. Ellarku vanakkam. Na unga Samira Sharif. Alright guys, so today's video is going to be all about professional makeup artist doing my makeup. So his movie makeup artist as well as a bridal makeup artist. So let me welcome our very own makeup artist Abbas Bhai. So he's Abbas Bhai guys.
Hi.
So before you guys get judgmental, we are in quarantine, all of us are home. So most of you all know that we live in a joint family and Abbas Bhai is Aman and Arbaz's father. So we all stay together and today he's done my makeup. First we thought of several things, then he suggested me saying we'll use only 5 products and do a everyday look wherein you can go to office, college, any kind of party or shopping, movie and all of that, which gives a very natural look. So that is what he has created. I'll show you guys what are the products that we're using, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we've used just these 5 products. We have a kajal pencil, foundation, lipstick, mascara and a sunscreen. So you can use any sunscreen or any moisturizer that you have, any mascara that you have, any lipstick that you would prefer wearing on an everyday basis, and any foundation that you have, or a BB cream, CC cream, anything of that sort, and a kajal. So we're using this kajal by Nykaa. It is a smoky kajal. So the foundation that we're using is from MAC. I'm in the shade NC42. And then for lips, the lipstick that we've used is Rom-Com by K Beauty. And then there's a mascara by PAC. Of course, sunscreen. This is Evans sunscreen. So first he took a tissue paper to wipe my face just to make sure that there's nothing on it. And then he took some sunscreen on back of his hand and then about 1.5 pump of my foundation, mixed them well together and then started dotting it on my face like so. And then using a beauty blender, he started blending it all over my face. So this gives a very natural and a sheer look.
Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do.
And guys, not to forget the neck. Your face and neck need to go hand in hand.
As I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed. As I bleed for you, cry for you. Let me bleed.
So he's made sure that the mixture of sunscreen and foundation is evenly applied all throughout my face.
Let me.
Not to miss the eyelids and of course the inner corner of the eyes. Once that we're done with the foundation, he started doing my brows using the same kajal pencil with a very light hand. So he started giving a very light strokes on my brows and then blended it well with his finger. And then using my lipstick, which is Rom-Com by K Beauty, he started dotting it on my eyelids like so and then started blending it with his finger. So the lip color that we chose is a matte lip crayon. So it's going to be a little difficult to blend, but if you have your foundation and the sunscreen mixture on your eyelid, it's going to be very easy to blend as the sunscreen is going to keep your eyelids moisturized.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed.
And once that is done, he started dotting it on my cheeks and the center of the nose. So this goes in a ocean or a wave kind of a way. It goes down, up and then down. So that is the way he's dotted it and started blending it all over. This gives a very natural glowy look onto your skin.
Oh, go on, just do what you do.
And then once that's done, he started contouring my nose using the same lipstick. As you can see, he just drew 2 lines on the sides of my nose and started blending it.
Cry for you.
So by doing this, it creates a very natural look. And then he started doing my lips by first lining them up and then filling them all inside. And then he started doing my lashes. As you can see, he removed the excess product on the brush and then started doing my lashes from upwards and then downwards, like so. Apply generous mascara on upper lash as well as the lower lash. So you can either leave the look this way or using the kajal pencil, apply it as the liner onto your eyelid very close to your lash line and then just give it a quick blend. So as you can see, he's used his finger to blend. You can either use finger or a earbud or a Q-tip or something like that.
Like a shadow dark and cold to the touch.
And once that's done, he started applying kajal on the waterline on both the eyes and then started smudging them with the smudger that comes with the kajal pencil. So for this, you can either use a earbud or a Q-tip to smudge it, or if you have a brush or a smudging brush, you can either use those. And once that's done, he started applying it little lower in the outer corners of my waterline and then started smudging that as well. This defines your eyes even more better. So yes guys, that's the final look. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video and I hope the tips were informative using just this minimal product. So I link all Abbas Bhai's details in the description box down below, so you can contact him for any of your makeup or any makeover sort of thing. And do let us know which look you would want him to create next. We'll shoot that for you guys. And using very minimal and basic products, of course. And we'll see you guys soon in my next video. Until I'll see you next. Lots of love!